Imagine this. You're halfway across the world, soaking in the sights and sounds of an exotic locale, only to realize that you've forgotten something crucial like your phone charger or worse, your passport. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Travel is more unpredictable than ever, so being prepared isn't just smart. It's essential. Let's dive into the ultimate list of travel must-haves for that will keep you ready for anything while ensuring you travel in style and comfort. Number 10. Wardrobe Savior. Silicone bottle covers and shoe bags. Don't let a leaky bottle or dirty shoes ruin your packing game. Silicone bottle covers and clear shoe bags are the unsung heroes that keep your luggage mess-free. They contain spills, keep your belongings clean, and make unpacking at your destination a breeze. These small but mighty accessories are designed to handle the rigors of travel, ensuring that your carefully packed clothes stay pristine from start to finish. No more worrying about shampoo exploding in your suitcase or dirt from your shoes getting on your clean clothes. These items are simple but essential for maintaining an organized and stress-free packing experience. Number 9. Skincare on the go. Makeup remover wipes and lip masks. Long flights and changing climates can wreak havoc on your skin. Keep your complexion in check with travel-friendly makeup remover wipes and hydrating lip masks. Products like the Bioderma Makeup Remover Wipes and Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask ensure you look fresh and feel great, no matter how long your journey. These products are specifically formulated to combat the unique challenges of travel, dry cabin air, varying temperatures, and the general stress of being on the move. The makeup remover wipes are gentle yet effective, removing all traces of makeup and dirt, leaving your skin clean and refreshed without needing water or face wash. The lip mask, on the other hand, is a savior for dry, chapped lips, providing intense hydration overnight, so you can wake up with soft, supple lips. Number 8. The Luxe of Comfort. Blanket and pillow duos. Let's be honest, airline blankets are often as comforting as a wet towel. Enter the Blanket and Pillow Duo, your answer to cozying up at 30,000 feet. These sets pack easily, hook onto your luggage, and transform any seat into a plush retreat. These travel essentials are designed with the modern traveler in mind, combining lightweight materials with maximum comfort. Some even come with added features like built-in pockets for your phone or a slot for your earbuds, ensuring everything you need for a good rest is within arm's reach. With airlines increasingly cutting back on in-flight comforts, having your own blanket and pillow set means you can create a cozy corner no matter where you're seated. Plus, they're perfect for those unexpected delays where you might find yourself napping in less than ideal conditions. Number 7. Minimalist's Dream. Ultra-compact travel gadgets. Travel light but travel smart. Gadgets like the Pocket Tripod and compact waterproof Bluetooth speakers make it possible to stay entertained and capture memories without lugging around bulky equipment. The Pocket Tripod is a favorite for capturing those low-light Instagram-worthy shots, and the JBL Go 3 ensures your favorite tunes are always within reach. The trend is all about packing smarter, not heavier. These compact gadgets often serve multiple purposes, like the Pocket Tripod, which doubles as a phone stand, perfect for video calls or watching movies on long flights. Meanwhile, compact speakers like the JBL Go 3 are not just for playing music. They can also be used to create ambient sounds for relaxation or to boost the sound of your favorite podcast while on the go. They're rugged, often waterproof, and built to withstand the bumps and bruises of travel, making them reliable companions no matter where your adventures take you. Number 6. Tune in, zone out, noise-canceling headphones. For the music lovers and frequent flyers, noise-canceling headphones like the Sony Dablu H1000XN5 are game changers. They offer superior sound quality and block out the chaos around you, whether it's a crying baby on a plane or the hustle and bustle of city streets. Plug in, tune out, and enjoy your personal oasis of sound. The advancements in noise-canceling technology mean that these headphones can now filter out more ambient noise than ever before, providing a more immersive listening experience. They're also designed for comfort, with soft ear cushions and adjustable headbands that make them perfect for long flights or commutes. Battery life has seen significant improvements too, with some models offering up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge. ensuring your music, podcasts, or audiobooks can accompany you throughout your journey without interruption. Number 5. The safety net, hotel door locks. Traveling is all about adventures, but let's not forget about safety. Portable hotel door locks are a simple yet effective way to ensure peace of mind. Whether you're staying in a 5-star resort or a budget hostel, this little gadget is your best bet for keeping intruders out and giving you that extra layer of security while you sleep. The beauty of these locks is their simplicity. They're lightweight, easy to install, and work on almost any door, giving you an added sense of control over your personal security. As more travelers seek unique accommodations such as errand rentals or boutique hotels, where standard security might not always be guaranteed, having a portable lock in your travel kit becomes even more crucial. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in ensuring your peace of mind, allowing you to fully relax and enjoy your trip. Number 4. Hydration on the go, collapsible water bottles. We've all heard the horror stories about airplane water. Avoid the overpriced airport bottles and the dubious airplane tap water by bringing your own collapsible water bottle. It's eco-friendly, easy to pack, and ensures you stay hydrated wherever your travels take you. These bottles collapse down to a fraction of their size, fitting easily into your bag when empty, and can be filled up once you pass through airport security. With sustainability becoming more than just a buzzword, having a reusable water bottle is not just about convenience. It's a statement of your commitment to the environment. Many of these bottles are also designed with durable, BPA-free materials and come with features like built-in filters, ensuring you have access to clean, safe water wherever you go. Plus, with airlines increasingly cutting back on complimentary beverages, having your own bottle means you're never left parched mid-flight. Number 3. From neck pain to bliss, memory foam neck pillows. Let's face it, sleeping on a plane can be a neck-wrecking experience. Traditional neck pillows? Out. Memory foam neck pillows? In. These marvels of modern travel tech offer the perfect blend of comfort and support, making sure you arrive at your destination well-rested and without a crick in your neck. Unlike the older, plush versions that often left your head lolling from side to side, memory foam pillows conform to the shape of your neck, providing stability and reducing the strain on your muscles. They're also more compact, easily attaching to your carry-on luggage or compressing down to save space. Some even come with added features like adjustable straps or cooling gels, ensuring you stay comfortable even on the longest flights. Number 2. Power to the people. Portable chargers for the win. In a world where we're constantly on our devices, running out of battery is a cardinal sin. Enter the portable charger, your new best friend. The Nitecore NB10000 Generation 2 and Icarus portable charger are lightweight and powerful, ensuring your devices stay charged whether you're Instagramming your latest meal or navigating the streets of a new city. With power banks offering up to 10,000 mAh, you can recharge your smartphone multiple times, which is particularly useful during long travel days or when outlets are scarce. These chargers are also compact, easily slipping into your pocket or backpack, making them perfect for travelers who need to stay connected without the bulk. Number 1. The mighty compression packing cubes. Tetris, but make it fashion. Gone are the days of struggling to zip up your suitcase. Compression packing cubes are the unsung heroes of the travel world, helping you squeeze in every last piece of clothing without looking like you're reenacting a scene from a luggage horror movie. These cubes not only organize your belongings, but also compress them, giving you up to 60% more space. Say goodbye to bulky sweaters taking up precious room. Whether you're a meticulous packer or a last-minute stuffer, these cubes will transform your travel experience, making it more efficient and stress-free. With various sizes and colors available, you can categorize your items easily, ensuring that everything has its place and nothing gets lost in the chaos of travel. Plus, their durable material ensures they withstand the rigors of travel, from overzealous airport handlers to the tight confines of overhead bins. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful and want to make sure you're always prepared for your next adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of our community, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. safe travels, and see you in the next video.